Hey, Dan with 3D Auto Repair. Today we're working on a 2005 Chevy half-ton pickup. Customer wants to put a lowering kit on. They've got a kit picked out that they think is going to do what they want to do as far as looks-wise. Not only that, they're going to put some bigger wheels and tires on it to kind of complete the look that they're looking for to personalize the truck to their satisfaction. You can see here we've got some rear shackle brackets and front leaf spring mounts to install on the vehicle to drop the rear end down to where he's looking as far as the look goes. And in the front, we've got some new lower control arms that drop the front end down, making the distance between the tire and the fender much closer, kind of giving it a sleeker, more stylish look. That's one of the many things that we offer here at 3D Auto Repair is vehicle customization to your specification. If you have an idea for your vehicle to kind of personalize it, make it more your own, please feel free to give us a call. We'd love to go over some options with you to make sure that you're going to get not only the look, but also the ride to make that vehicle perform the way it should, as well as look as good as it could. Thanks for watching the video. We look forward to seeing you at the shop. Please share the video so other people with your interests can get the information they're looking for.